Prime Minister hits back at opposition following comments about imposition of tax on imports. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, U.S. snowstorm forces cancellation of several flights at Sangster International Airport. And later, KSAMC intensifies effort to address chaos and congestion in downtown Kingston. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.